Welcome back, guys. So I have another one for you guys today. We're gonna go over here first and do a mini unboxing of what we're gonna be doing today. All right, give me a second while I open this box up for you guys. We have it open. This is what it is. Pedals. It comes with some instructions right here. Let me open this up real quick. And that is the instructions right there. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so that's what we're going to be installing today. Let me just set up the camera real quick. There we go. Alright, so this one's going to be the easiest one. This one just clips on there. Just like that. As you can see, this one's actually going to be replacing this whole thing. So we got to remove this first in order to put this in. I must see if I can forcefully take it out, but most likely I'm gonna have to cut this in order to remove it. Oh, maybe not. There we go. All right. There you guys have it. This one's removed. All right, guys, now that we have that removed, it's time to put the other one in. But in order to do that, we need to wet it down with some soapy water to make it easier when we're installing that. All right, you want to slide it in just like that. But now what you want to do is pry back the rubber that's here and then slide all the way back. All right, guys, to give you an update, this plastic pry right here is not gonna work. You're gonna need something harder, maybe like a screwdriver or maybe something like this. All right, so I was able to use this. Again, from this corner, pry back that plastic in the back, and then make my way all the way down to the end. And now it's pretty secure on there. So that's how you want to do that. There you guys have a closer look. And here's a look from the outside. It's looking nice, guys. But that is going to be it for this video. I appreciate all the love. I appreciate all the support. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell notification. All right, make sure you guys stay tuned for these upcoming mods.